I get a few questions sometimes about the gear I use when I hike, so I thought I would make a backpack loadout about the gear I use when I hike, and that is in the Swedish mountains or in woods, forests. So this is my backpack. This is a Bergans Helium. It's a frame backpack, adjustable height, 2 pockets on the side and just one on the top, and only a zipper in the front. The weight on this bag is around 1 kilo. Still have a frame because sometimes I carry a lot of weight when I carry camera gear, but I still consider myself as a lightweight hiker. But I would like to be able to carry much weight if I need to. That is why I prefer frame, and that's what I like to hike with. The base weight in this backpack is just under 6 kilos, and that is without food and water. So if I just start from the top, I show you what I got. In the main compartment on top I have a simple rain cover, because this bag is not waterproof. So I have a rain cover to cover the backpack. This is as well bright orange. It's good to have something with a lot of color in if you need to. So in the main compartment there's a lot of straps, so you can strap everything down. You can have a bigger seat pad or something under if you like. And on top I most of the time carry a warmer jacket. Not a winter jacket though, we don't need that in summer, even though it can be a bit cold. So a lightweight warmer jacket, which is good. I have a rain jacket. This is just a simple marmoth jacket. Very lightweight, very affordable. I'll show you in the description what all the brands and all that, because I don't remember that now. Sometimes I carry a sit pad. This is a Thermarest C seat. It's very usable. I have a small first aid kit with plasters and painkillers and all the normal stuff. I have a small bag with spare clothes, stuff that I use, warmer socks, because it can get very cold in the Swedish summer. I always bring a thin beanie, merino wool beanie. This is for sleeping in, and or if it gets cold on day or a night. It's always good to have. I have a spare shirt for sleeping in. Something lightweight like this. And I got extra pair of socks and extra pair of underwear. I bring another bag which includes my spoon for eating, my water filter. You don't need to filter the water in the Swedish mountains, but I always bring this anyway, because you can end up getting water from a forest or something. A foldable cup, very lightweight, simple, for the morning coffee or the tea, whatever you want. I have a lightweight headlamp. It's very small but very useful. And I bring hand sanitizer, sunscreen protector, toothpaste and a toothbrush. When it comes to kitchen or eating, I use Toad's titanium pot with this hot cozy to keep the water a bit warm if you have food in. Inside I have my stove, my Primus stove. And I have wilderness wash for washing myself and my gear, and my food cup if you need to. I have a small dish brush. I have a lighter. I have a thin, small ferro rod, and I have an old beanie to be able to grab a hot handle. When it comes to sleeping, I use X-Pad Synmat. This is Synmat Basic 7.5. This is a very good pad. It's not the lightest, but it's very sturdy, and all my gear are 3-season, so I can use this spring, summer and autumn. And you can easily use this for winter as well. Not the coldest day, but still, I love this thing. It's durable, it's comfortable and it's warm. As I said many times, it can get cold in the Swedish mountain. It can drop to freezing degrees. That is why it's extra good to be a bit careful. Don't bring too light and too warm gear. Always have a pillow, a small pillow. This one this is GR gear, very cheap, very small, and so comfortable. I cannot sleep without it. Just inflatable, and a sleeping bag is Marmot sawtooth. This is a -5 degrees Celsius bag, which is great for Swedish summer, spring and autumn. Might be a bit too warm in the summer. This is very comfortable. A normal normal mommy bag. Here's the ratings for the, if you can see, and it's only the tent left. This is my tipi tent. It's a no-name AliExpress tent from China. 4 persons, which is comfortable for 2 persons and a dog. I have been using this in the Swedish mountains and as well in forests like this, and I have no complaining about it. I've been out with this tent in heavy rain and heavy storm, and it's hold up great. But I have other tents. This is the one I brought. This is 1 kilo. So that is it. The bag is empty, and that is my hiking gear that I use for tree season. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.